got drawn into these issues because of what was happening in our own backyard. So it was back in 2017 when the General Assembly decided to unpack the North Carolina Court of Appeals. And I was shocked that this was happening, in large part because there were all these academic conversations about the strength of norms, including the norm against court packing. And so it seemed like such a disconnect, right, that we're having these conversations about what's happening on the federal side, and yet court packing is happening kind of underneath our noses over here on the state side. And I realized not a lot of folks had really looked into this, and so I thought it was ripe for some exploration. What I was really interested in, first and foremost, was how many instances have we seen of attempts to pack the courts, and then beyond that, successes in court packing. That was my main interest. It was really mostly descriptive work that I was doing. And so I was digging into a big database that's run by the National Center for State Courts. It's a fabulous compendium of legislation they have, bills that have in some way affected state courts. And so I was just running big searches, trying to get a sense of how often is this happening, and then why is this happening? Who's driving this? The article is meant to try to gather all of that together and then draw some lessons to the extent that we can for the federal court debate.